Welcome to the Culinary Insider for October 17th. I'm Ryan Parker. For all of you fans who love Iron Chef or Iron Chef America, rejoice because Netflix is unleashing a brazen copy of Iron Chef with its new show, The Final Table. There will be 12 teams of 2 chefs who travel the world and compete in a kitchen stadium setting to make it to the final table. The chefs will be judged by a panel of other chefs, celebrities, and food critics from each of the countries they travel to. The trailer for The Final Table is available right now on Netflix and will begin airing on November 20th. April Bloomfield, acclaimed chef and former partner of The Spotted Pig, is speaking out nearly a year after former business partner Ken Friedman was accused of sexual harassment in the restaurants they ran together. Chef Bloomfield says she failed a lot of people. After the story was first reported in the New York Times in January, Chef Bloomfield issued a short statement and apology. She has since started the process of splitting with Friedman, and in a new interview with The Times says, "I feel horrified that I've done wrong by them." Some former employees described her relationship with Friedman as tough. Bloomfield describes the relationship by stating, "I felt like he was in a position where he held all of the cards." She then describes a situation where Friedman allegedly threatened to revoke her work visa over a disagreement about wall posters. Chef Bloomfield says she's in therapy and executive coaching. Friedman is currently being sued by the Ace Hotel for misrepresenting earnings at its restaurant, the Breslin and John Dory Oyster Bar. Last but not least, if you don't think Halloween couldn't get any better, Skittles has a surprise for you. Mars Wrigley, Skittles' parent company, is releasing zombie Skittles. With the tagline, "Most taste delicious, but some taste like rotten zombie," who wouldn't want to scoop up a bag of these? But hold your horses. They're not being released until October 2019. Oy vey. So you will just have to wait a bit to get your hands on these. That is all of the food, drink, and dining news for today. Be sure you subscribe so you can get all new episodes of the Culinary Insider. And remember, food is life, and life is great. See you next time.